counted me out. They thought it was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly, made something out of me.
What it do, man? So me Chevy boy. Yeah, it's the same night. We out here. 7:20, headed to get Big Dog, man. He said Big Dog ready. So we finna go pick up Big Zeus, bring him on to the house, man. So I'll check in with y'all, cause I know I need some fuel in it. We finna drive Boss Lady car down there. So once I get him, we're gonna stop somewhere. Murphy's, probably, no, not Murphy's, but might go right by Walmart. Hopefully Walmart ain't too packed. It's later. It'll be about 8 o'clock by the time I'm coming back through, so it might not be too bad. We'll stop at Walmart, fuel up, so we'll holler at y'all when I get down here to pick it up. Alright. Yeah, man. That Big Dog. Big Dog. Now we gotta go find us some fuel, man. What I'm on, yeah. Down to a quarter tank. I'm gonna show y'all something too. When I went down there and he had my headlight, he had the front off, the grill and the lights and all that off when he had broke it down. So this side marker right here, ever since I had my truck for 4 years, I just thought this was a reflector, man. So I paid attention to somebody's truck one day when I was on the road. You know what I'm saying? When I was driving, I'm like, man, they're trying to lighten up. So I like, man, I looked it up. Like, man, that's a doggone light going there. So both of mine were blowed. So when I saw he had it off the other day when I dropped the parts off, man, I got 2 LEDs out of the inside, man, and went ahead on and put them in there, man. Yep, lit them up on both sides. Yep, little side marker light. LED joint, super bright. Big Dog, man, got Big Dog back. Yes, sir. We'll be back. Piggly Wiggly jumping over here, boy, like a nightclub. That joint jumping like a nightclub, boy. Trying to get them groceries, man. They trying to get them groceries, man. Yeah, man, I might stop right here in Dodges, man. Should I stop at Dodges and fill up? We're gonna go over to Walmart and see what they got. Yeah, we're gonna go to Walmart. Hopefully Walmart ain't too crunk. Sure ain't nobody at Dodges. But we're gonna see. The Dodges diesel is with cash, $289. With a card, $299. Let's see what Wally World got over here. Yes, sir. Drive old Zeus tomorrow. Yep. Yeah, man, we down here, Wally World. It's the same price here, $289. Whether with a card or without, it's the same here. So let me put my little diesel additive I be putting in here. Put that in here. So that's the end of that one. Open up this other one. And we're gonna fill it up, man. I'll be using diesel clean. This just helps lubricate the it helps lubricate the diesel, man. So it'll be easier on your injectors, your pump and everything. Cause diesel here in America don't have as much lubricant as it does in other countries. All right, I forgot they still don't have tap. See if I can pay for it with my Walmart app. Cause I really don't like swiping my card at the pump, man. Let's see. Fuel, okay. Fuel. There we go. Pump number 1. Select pump number 1. Yep. Debit or credit card. Scan the QR code at the pump. Okay, we'll do that. Boom. All right, pay with this card. Connecting. Select your fuel grade. Getting some good old diesel. Begin fueling, man. So we're on a quarter tank. Quarter tank. 286 a gallon. I'll take about $50. About $55. We'll see. Yep. My mechanic said, man, because he drove it from the shop to his house. I picked my truck up at his house, because that's where I dropped it off at. He said, man, them tires, they did a hell of a job balancing them tires. Man, that truck rides so damn good, man. And he got one too. He got a newer model. I think he got like a 19 or 20. But he always had love my truck, man. 4 years ago when I first met him, he always had love my truck. I said, man, I love that truck. Yep. And every time, even his wife said, he loves your truck so much. Let's see, sound like it's filling up though. Sound like it's filling up fast. It might take 50. I don't know. It might take 50. Get on to the house, man. Get ready for the mod, chop it up. And so my partner was telling me today for my, I went and got 87 for my generator. My partner told me to put 93 in my generator. So what I'm gonna do, the gas that I got in the pump, in the jug, I'm gonna dump that in the element. I'm gonna dump that in the element and go get some gas, put some 93. $50.34, man. $50.34. So man, I can't wait till I put that I'm gonna eventually put it on there, man. We've been taking care of other stuff. I'm gonna put that 56 gallon on here. That 56 gallon tank. I'm gonna put that on here. No, that sucker gonna hold some gas, boy. Boy, gonna hold some gas. So your receipt is available anytime in the app. Okay, cool, cool. All right. Lock my tailgate back. We ready to roll, man. Oh, man. So that's about it for the night, man. We gonna call it a night. We gonna call it a night. Go home. Probably finish editing that video, and we good. 78 Chevy boy. Keep it locked, man. And so by the time y'all see this video, y'all will know that the new date for the show is it already be put out there. That the new date for the show is May 16th, man. I had to change the date. So get your schedules together. Hopefully y'all can still come on out. Have a good time, man. Gonna be a big old party, man. 78 Chevy boy. I'm out. Connect and never compete, baby. All right. What it do, man? 78 Chevy boy coming at y'all with some important news. Some real serious news, man. Got to talk to y'all about curveballs and lemons, man. I just been thrown a big curveball with a lemon, dog. And with that being said, we got to adapt and adjust, man. And due to circumstances out of my control, I must change the date to the car show. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I must change the date. The new date for the show is May 16th. Saturday, May 16th, man. It's still going down in a major way, the same way, everything the same, except the date. And it's May 16th. So for the ones that already had made bookings, man, I hope you can change them and still be able to attend the car show and have a good time with us. Man, I really appreciate y'all's support. So as y'all get this news, please share the new date for me. Put it on your stories, on your feed, your YouTubes, wherever you posted it at before. Please make a note of it and post it. Tell a friend and tell a friend, man. It's still going down. We just got to change the date. It's just 2 weeks earlier. It was May 30th. Now it's May 16th. You got any questions, concerns, just hit me up. Hit my inbox. Hit my line if you got my line. I'll answer any questions. And that's pretty much it, man. We just gotta adapt and adjust. So we're gonna pivot. Take that lemon, man. We're gonna make some lemonade, man. May 16th is going down at the Landers Center, Southaven, Mississippi. Stay humble, stay prayed up, stay out the way, man. And remember, rule number 1: keep God first, man. Love.